Mountains. They are some of the most awe-inspiring natural features on Earth. But do they move? The short answer is yes, but the process is slow and not visible to the naked eye. In this video, we will explore the different ways in which mountains move and change over time. The movement of mountains is primarily caused by the movement of tectonic plates. These massive slabs of rock make up the Earth's crust and float on the more fluid upper mantle. When two plates collide, one may push up and over the other, creating a mountain range. This is known as orogeny, and it's the process that formed many of the world's most famous mountain ranges, such as the Himalayas and the Andes. This process can take millions of years and is still ongoing. The Himalayas, for example, were formed by the collision of the Indian and Eurasian plates and continue to rise by about 1 inch per year. This means that even though the mountain building process may be complete, the mountains themselves are still growing taller. But mountains are not just pushed up, they are also worn down. Erosion and weathering caused by rain, snow, and ice, as well as the movement of rivers and glaciers, slowly erode the peaks and valleys of mountain ranges. This process can also take millions of years and is ongoing. The Grand Canyon, for example, was formed by the erosion of the Colorado River over millions of years. Over time, this erosion can cause mountains to lose their sharp peaks and become more rounded. The Rocky Mountains, for example, are some of the oldest mountain ranges in the world and have been heavily eroded over millions of years. This is why they have a more worn-down appearance compared to younger mountain ranges. Another way in which mountains can form is through volcanic activity. When magma rises to the surface, it can create a volcano, and as the volcano erupts and the ash and lava pile up, a mountain can form. These type of mountains are called volcanic mountains, and examples of this are Mount Fuji in Japan, Mount Vesuvius in Italy, and Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. So, as we can see, mountains are not just pushed up, but also worn down, and can form through volcanic activity. Their beauty is a reminder of the powerful forces that shape our planet. Their movement and change are slow, taking millions of years, but they are constantly moving and changing. Thanks for watching, and we hope you learned something new about the movement of mountains.